Alright guys, got a little issue that I need to address. Hoping to whip something up and make a quick video about it for you guys. You've seen the weld table with the frame jigs and fixtures and everything. But if you look, I got all these clamps, right? And if you've ever built a motorcycle or mini bike or whatever, you know they're worth their weight in gold. And I've got several. The problem is, where do I put them? That they're not going to be in the way or be a nuisance, and I'll have to move them. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to come up with a way to store these clamps on the table that's not a permanent thing. That way we can move it, or if we have to disassemble the table, we can. So yeah, let's see what we can come up with. So I initially, when I started thinking about this, I thought about just bolting something to the side of the table using the holes that are already there. Well, I've noticed, even with the bigger table that Steve from Mayhem Metalworks hooked me up with, I'm still doing a lot at the table, a lot of fab stuff, and then I got a bike, which fortunately can't show you guys yet, on the table. And yeah, there's a lot more area, a lot more area compared to my old table, but that just draws me to do more on the table. So I don't want to use any of these holes in the table for fear that I may have to jig something up while I've got all this other stuff on the table, and I'll need that hole. So that kind of shot that out. But I started thinking, well, why can't I attach something between the legs, right? I mean, there's nothing there. They're somewhat recessed from the edges. So as I walk by, I'll probably trip over the leveling feet before I run into any clamps. But I don't want to weld directly to the legs because I know I've got at least one more move. And moving a table this size, you don't want to make anything any more difficult than you have to. So I need to be able to unbolt these legs. So can't weld anything to it. I guess I'm gonna have to bolt something to it. These guys, these came from Steve when he sent me the table, and these were just little straps that held the table and its parts to that wooden pallet. I didn't want to throw them away because I figured I could use them for something. Well, guess what? The spacing between these two holes is enough that I can use it as a clamp around the legs. Alright, two of these. Bam, bam. I'll run some bolts through here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take like a 1x1 square tube and run it from here to another set of these on that other leg, and that'll give me a spot to hang my clamps. See if this is going to work. Fingers crossed. Pretty simple. I ended up going with 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch square instead of the 1 inch by 1 inch square, because after visiting 3 stores, that's all I could find. So yeah, real basic hardware, nothing special, and it keeps the clamps out of the way. Bam. Clamps don't protrude past the edge of the table. So now what I need to do is I'm going to make another one of these and probably put it on the other end and hang some of like the vice grips and stuff off of. Another thing you can do, instead of using the square stock, you could use a piece of angle iron, and then you can hang your grinders on that. So that's something else I might make too. But now that I know it works and I've got all my measurements, so what I'm going to do is knock those out, throw a coat of paint on them, and attach them to the table. So that's it for this one, guys. Until next time, get up, get out there, and do it.